Hello guys, good morning. Thank you for tuning in. Back in the Lehigh River again. Never fished here before. This is a new area for me. Hopefully I can catch something here. It's kind of rainy morning though. Oh well. Alright guys, stay tuned. Alright, here we go. Should have some trout in here. Got a fish on. Is that a trout? It fights like a smallmouth. Oh, it's a trout. Oh, nice brown. Oh yeah. Come here, buddy. Yes. All right, guys. Beautiful brown. Look at that. Okay, buddy. Oh, there she goes. All right, let's get another one. I'm pretty much fishing very close to Jim Thorpe. Jim Thorpe is only like maybe 10 minutes from here. Another one. Ooh, seems like a nice one. Oh, what is that? It's trout. Oh, nice brown. Woohoo! Oh yeah. All right, number 2. Nice brown. All right, let's get another one. Hmm. Another one. Whoa. It's a big fish. Whoa, jumper. Whoa. Oh yeah, nice fish. Big one. Oh my goodness. Yes. But guys, beautiful brown. Look at that. Nice. Okay, buddy. There she go. All right, let's get another one. Once again, I'm using the Rapala ultralight minnow. All right, new spot. Gotta have trout in here. Oh. There's nobody home. Got something. Ooh, seems like a nice one. What is that? Every time I shot a video, I get a bite. Oh, it's a nice brown. Woo-hoo. Oh yeah. All right. Another beauty. Look at that. Nice. There she go. Oh, well, let's get another one. Oh, this is a big fish. Please stay on. I think it's a trout. Oh, this is a big one. Oh, that's a big trout. Oh yeah. What is that? Is that a trout? Oh yeah, nice brown. Thought it was a smallmouth. Oh heck yeah. Come here. Ooh. Oh man. Gee. Oh yes. Right guys, another beautiful brown. Look at that. Okay buddy. There she go. I want to catch one on video. There's one. I got that on video. Is that a trout? Ooh, seems like a nice one. What is it, smallmouth? Can't see yet. Oh, it's a trout. Oh, it's a nice one. It's a nice brown. Hey man, they fight so hard. Oh yeah. Right, another beautiful brown. Look at that. Kind of chunky. Thank you. There she go. All right, let's get another one.